Hello everyone, my name is Yashaswini. In this video, we are going to learn about the artificial intelligence and machine learning project based on mental fitness tracker. My teammates are Janvi, Meghana, and Pallavi. Before going deep into the project, we will see what is AIML and how does it works. AIML or Artificial Intelligence Markup Language is a standardized XML dialect used for creating chatbots and conversational agents, which was developed by Richard Valens in the mid 1990s. AIML serves as the foundation for building rule based conversational systems known as Alice bots. These systems uses pattern matching and predefined responses to stimulate natural language interactions with users. AIML organizes conversational into categories, each containing a pattern that matches user input and a template for generating a response. Though the use of AIML developers can create chatbots capable of handling various queries, engaging in conversations, and providing information or assistance based on predefined rules and logic. Despite being relatively simple compared to more advanced AI approaches, AIML remains a popular choice in creating basic chatbots functionalities due to its ease of use and straightforward syntax. How does AIML works? AIML works based on the pattern recognition, rule-based engine, natural language understanding. In pattern recognition, AIML identifies patterns in user input and selects the most appropriate response. Rule-based engine, it utilizes predefined rules and templates to process and generate responses. In natural language understanding, AIML algorithms analyze and interpret the meaning of human language. Now coming to our project, that is mental fitness tracker. Now we will see introduction to mental fitness tracker. A mental fitness tracker is a digital tool which is designed to help individual monitor, access and improve their mental well-being. It typically includes features such as mood tracking, journaling, goal setting, mindfulness exercises, and personalized insights. Users can record their daily emotions, thoughts, and activities, track patterns over time, and receive recommendations or resources based on their data. Some mental fitness trackers also integrate with wearable devices or apps to gather additional data like sleep pattern, physical activities, and stress levels, providing a more comprehensive view of overall wellness. These trackers aims to promote self-awareness, encourage positive habits, and support mental health management by empowering users to take proactive steps towards a healthier mind. Now we will see what actually means a mental fitness tracker, which is a self-awareness, mood tracking, and wellness resources. In self-awareness, it encourages self-reflection and awareness of emotional and mental states. In mood tracking, it allows users to monitor and understand their emotional patterns and triggers. In wellness resources, it provides access to guided meditations, stress relief activities, and relaxation techniques. Now we will see how to use a mental fitness tracker. We have three steps. That is, first one is setting goals, activity monitoring, and reflection and analysis. In setting goals, users define personal objectives for mental well-being and track their progress. In activity monitoring, it provides insight into daily habits, emotional patterns, and energy levels. In reflection and analysis, enables users to reflect on their mental state and utilize data for positive change.
So, why is mental fitness required? Let's see further into the importance of mental fitness for enhanced well being. That is, monitoring our mental fitness aids to achieving a state of overall well being and contentment. And reduced stress. Improved mental fitness is linked to the reduction of stress related issues, increased productivity. Positive mental health can lead to high tended levels of productivity and efficiency. So, mental fitness is very much needed for the achievement of our goals. Now, let us look further into the methodology used in our project. So primarily data collection is important. It utilizes comprehensive data collection method to gather information on mental well-being, includes self-reported inputs, behavioral patterns, and mood assessments. And the second step is advanced analysis, employs an advanced analytical tools to derive meaningful insights from the gathered data, utilizes machine learning algorithms to provide personalized mental fitness recommendations. And the third step includes predictive models, develops predictive model to forecast mental health fluctuations and trends for the proactive measures, utilizes user specific historical data for accurate projection of potential fluctuations. So when all these steps are performed accurately, it could yield to the output, that is the mental health of a particular individual based on the historical events. As I have mentioned earlier, data collection is an important and primary step in order to achieve in order to recognize a mental health of a particular individual. So the methods used to collect the data of a particular individual includes self-reports, activity tracking, and mood assessments. That may include tools like mobile app, wearable devices, and online surveys. So some applications regarding the mental health and some wearable devices like modern day analog watch, digital watches, and some online forms or surveys and analysis that is used include advanced algorithm, machine learning, trend forecasting algorithms. Let's see what are the features that have been included in the mental fitness tracker tool. Comprehensive monitoring, that is tracks various parameters such as sleep quality, stress levels, and activity patterns. And personalized insights, offers personalized recommendation for mental health improvement based on an individual data. This is especially good for individual candidates who have some fluctuations in their daily routines. And third feature includes goal setting and accountability, facilitates goal setting and provides support for achieving established mental well-being. So now let's look further into the benefits of using mental fitness tracker. So it provides enhanced awareness, provides insights into the mental well-being, fostering greater self-awareness and understanding, and improved lifestyle choice, assists in making informed decisions regarding daily habits and lifestyle adjustments, and proactive measures, enables early detection of potential mental health concerns, fostering early intervention. So this is majorly good for a particular individual, which enhances their physical and mental health overall prior getting any disorders. So let's see on some case studies and success stories. So overall, 128,000 users have been benefited by the mental fitness tracker and have reported significant mental well-being improvements. And 93% of users have a user satisfaction, that is they have expressed high user satisfaction with personalized mental wellness and suggestions. So this is a turning point for our today's hectic and busy lives. Let's now look into some notable points under the future enhancement. Expansion plans. An extension to incorporate new mental well-being dimension is in the pipeline. User feedback analysis to further refine and enhance the mental fitness tracker. Collaboration opportunities. Exploration of partnerships to integrate additional mental health resources into the platform. Overall, I would conclude that mental fitness tracker is a beneficiary tool to all individuals and especially to those people who have higher risk factors or disorders and people under the medical assistance and individuals with fluctuations in their daily routines and their stress management levels. So this was all about the methodology used in mental fitness tracker and some of its features. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi. I'll be discussing about the importance of mental health and the core elements of the project. Importance of mental health. Mental health is an essential component of overall well-being encompassing emotional, psychological, and social aspects of a person's life. It significantly influences how individuals think, feel, and behave, which impact their ability to cope up with stress, handle challenges, and also build relationship and contribute to society. Despite its critical role, mental health often faces stigma and neglect, leading to underdiagnosis and undertreatment and adverse consequences for individuals and communities. AI Mental Fitness Tracker. The AI Mental Fitness Tracker project aims to leverage artificial intelligence and data science technique to promote mental well being and support individuals in monitoring and managing their mental health. By utilizing the machine learning algorithms and behavioral data, the project seeks to provide personalized insights, recommendations, and resources tailored to users' needs and preferences. Core elements of the project: data collection. The project collects diverse data sources, including user input, activity log, physiological signals, and external factors like weather, events. These data points are used to assess users' mental state, identify the patterns, and detect potential risk factors for health issues, mental health issues. Machine learning models. Advanced machine learning models are trained on the collected data to analyze trends, predict outcomes, and generate actionable insights. These models incorporate algorithms for sentiment analysis, mood detection, stress prediction, and behavior change prediction. And the different machine learning models are classification models, regression models, clustering, dimensionality reduction, deep learning, and so on. The next core element of the project is user interface. The AI Mental Fitness Tracker features an intuitive user interface that allows individuals to interact with the system easily. Users can input relevant information, track their mental well-being over time, and access personalized recommendation and also connect with support resources. Empowerment and support. The ultimate goal of the project is to empower users to take proactive steps towards improving their mental health by providing personalized feedback, educational content, and access to mental health resources. The AI Mental Fitness Tracker aims to support users in adopting positive habits, managing stress, and also seeking help when needed. Overall, the AI Mental Fitness Tracker project underscores the transformative potential of artificial intelligence and data science in promoting mental well being and advancing the global conversation on mental health. So, this was about the importance of mental health and the core elements of the project. Thank you.
So let's continue with the code explanation and the results obtained. The first and foremost thing while implementing a code is generally importing the data. The provided code imports several Python libraries commonly used in machine learning and data analysis tasks, Overall, these libraries offer a wide range of tools and functionalities for tasks related to data manipulation, visualization, and machine learning, making them essential components for Python data science ecosystem. The second step is reading the data, where this provided code uses a Google Colab to mount Google Drive and imports essential libraries such as Seaborn, Matplotlib, and Plotly Express for data visualization, and even it then loads two CSV files containing data related to mental substance uses disorders. After loading the data into Pandas data frame objects, it displays the first few rows, summary statics, and information about the data for both datasets. The DF1 data frame contains information about mental and substance uses as a share of disease, while the DF2 data frame contains prevalence data for mental and substance use disorders. These datasets are concatenated along the columns axis to create a single data frame, that is DF, containing both sets of information. In summary, the code prepares and combines two datasets related to mental fitness and substance use disorders, enabling further analysis and visualization of the data. The third step is generally data visualization. These are the codes. The provided code generates a pair plot, a heat map to visualize the correlation between different mental health disorders and their prevalence rates. The pair plots displays scatter plots of each pair of variables against each other, along with histograms of each variable along the diagonal. This allows for visual inspection of the relationship between the variables. The heat map provides a more concise representation of the correlation matrix with correlation efficiency between each pair of variables displayed as colors. Darker shades indicate stronger positive correlations, while the lighter shades indicates the weaker, that is, or a negative correlations. The annotation within the heat map provide the exact correlation coefficients for easy interpretation. Overall, this visualization helps in understanding the relationship and potential dependencies between the various mental health disorders, shedding light on potential patterns or association within the data. The next one is a data processing, which comes under visualization. These are the codes. The provided code segment processes the data frame, that is DF, by dropping column, entity, code, and year, then fills any missing values with the column mains, and even it selects specific columns representing various mental health disorder prevalence, which rates and assigns them to variable X, while assigning the corresponding disability adjusted life years to variable Y. The data in X is standardized using standard scalar to ensure that each feature has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Finally, the standardization data is split into training and testing sets, that is X train and X test, Y train and Y test. Using train test split from scikit-learn. In summary, this code prepares the data for machine learning task by cleaning, selecting relevant features, scaling and splitting it into a training and testing sets for model training and evaluation. The final step is generally an ML implementation, where these are the codes. The provided code segment instances a random forest regressor model and fits it to the training data. After training, the model is used to predict the target variable for the test data, that is X test. The predicted values are stored in the variable predicted values, which can be further evaluated to assess the performance of the trained model on unseen data. Random forest regressor is a powerful ensemble learning technique commonly used for regression tasks due to its ability to handle complex relationships and mitigate overfitting. In model, so the next step is model evaluation and matrices, where the provided code segments plots the first 100 data points for a true values, that is y test, and the predicted values obtained from a machine learning model. It visualizes how well the model's prediction align with the actual values. The plot includes a legend indicating the true and predicted lines, along with the title displaying the mean squared error between the true and predicted values. This visualization helps assess the model's performance in terms of accuracy and provides insights into potential areas for improvement. These are the results obtained for data visualization and also for data framing, and this one is for error detecting against true versus predicted. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.